Hello everyone. So I'll be explaining how we'll be needing the Go- Google Client app for an application. So initially it would involve using it for the SSO for the users to log in through the application, which comes over here. So when I click on any of this, and if I click on Hashcadia, so that requires me to take me to the account, right? So this is the one use case where we would require the Google Client ID, for which we have used the scope of profile and email and open ID so that we can access the user data for facilitating the login into our platform. Secondly, when we go into our platform, uh, another feature that our platform offers is for integrations, where the users can sync their files from the Google Drive to our platform, as our platform is an file management system. So as you can see over here, our platform offers file management system where the users or the whole enterprise or the organization can manage files over here. So to bring and sync their files from the Google Drive into our platform itself, they can create a server over here, a sync server. Uh, so let me show it to you. Testing. When they create that server over here, we require that they log in through their ID so that we can understand from which account do they need to import the files. So now that I have the testing server over here, I can sync it with the server, choose the testing. Now I can choose all my Google Drive files which I want to sync over here. So if I choose even an answer over here and confirm it, I can sync it to any of the files over here. So if I sync it to root, or I should say to my SRC folder, I can use it over here and I can sync it. So now during the sync, all the files from the Google Drive component or from my Google Drive account or the files which I have mentioned will be brought into my platform, which is the SRC or the folder which I have mentioned, which is over here. As mentioned, answers.docs is here. Now coming to the second use case for our client, which is when we share the link to any person via Gmail to confirm that the person is authorized to open that link or access the contents within the link. We again require it for the SSO. So if as it was shared on my personal email ID, and when I use it over here, which is the email ID through which I received it, I can access the contents of the link, right? I can access it. So this is done to prevent unauthorized access of the content on our platform or to the any person that we are sharing the content via the email. So here, as mentioned in the scope earlier as well, here we'll require openid profile in the email scope to get the user info to verify whether they are authorized enough to access the contents on the file. These are the mostly use cases. These are the only three use cases that we require on the file on our platform, and only one client is being used for all of this, which is for all of these features. Thank you.